Hello and welcome everyone to the week ahead commodity report, where we of course will be reviewing the markets for the week ahead. And first of all, of course, wishing all of you a very happy new year. Hope you had a fantastic festive period, and welcome back of course to our commodity reports for 2023. There is no question that 2022 that will go down in history as one of the most profitable years ever for commodity traders. However, 2023 is now projected to be even bigger. 2022 was the second consecutive year that saw a total of 27 commodities, ranging from the metals to energies to agriculture, tallying up astronomical double to triple digit gains, outperforming every other asset class out there. As we head into 2023, that trend is set to continue. Since 2020, everyone from Goldman Sachs to JP Morgan to Bank of America, they had predicted the start of a new commodity super cycle. The traders that saw the opportunity and took action, they accumulated life-changing wealth. In fact, the majority of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, they made in excess of 6 and 7 figures last year. Here are just some of the testimonials which have been flooding in from our clients, sharing their successes and achievements. According to Goldman Sachs, the macroeconomic backdrop for commodities in 2023, that is looking more bullish than ever, ultimately indicating that we could be on the verge of another record-setting year ahead. In their year-ahead outlook, Goldman Sachs, they signaled that commodities, they could be one of the best-performing asset classes once again in 2023, forecasting huge gains ahead for the entire sector amid a super cycle that has the potential to last for a decade. As savvy traders will know, a super cycle is not just one big surge in commodity prices, but a series of consecutive back-to-back surges, resulting in prices notching up impressive double-digit gains in a single week, sometimes in a single day, which, as we've already seen, is a very common trend throughout 2022. There are plenty of reasons why a long list of Wall Street banks remain extremely bullish on commodities, which include underinvestment in new capacity, tightening supply versus soaring demand, China's reopening, the economic stagflation and signs of a dollar peak, coupled with the slowing of global central bank rate hikes, which all is leading to the eventual end of rate hikes in the first quarter of 2023. All of this combined is hotly anticipated to unleash a plethora of opportunities, which of course will bring with it a magnitude of monumental gains across the entire commodities complex. The previous two super cycles, they took place in the 1970s and 2000s. In both cases, the commodity sector, that resembled the identical telltale signs that we're seeing right now. If history is anything to go by, then the stage is almost certainly set for commodity prices to outperform every other asset class out there for a third consecutive year. Extraordinary times, they do create extraordinary opportunities. Right now, as traders, we are amidst one of the greatest eras of wealth creation the world has ever seen. Whatever long-term goal you're looking to achieve through trading, whether that's to create a full-time income or a second or replacement income, or just to earn a better return on your savings, then now is the time to take action to give yourself the gift of a better 2023. Right now, you have an opportunity to make 2023 your best and biggest year yet, which, based on our research, is going to be another record-setting year due to all the macroeconomic events that are currently unfolding. Our advice to you is do not underestimate what you can achieve in the next 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and even 12 months from now. Here at the Gold and Silver Club, we're consistently banking over 10,000 points profit per month, which we have transparently been documenting through our weekly videos. If you're trading at one lot, that's $100,000, and if you're trading at 10 lots, that's $1 million. As you can see from our testimonials, the majority of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, utilizing our proprietary research-driven trading approach, they're making in excess of 6 and 7 figures annually. If you want to make 2023 your best and most profitable year yet, then now is the time to take action. Just go to www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com now to learn how our mentorship program can take your trading to the next level. So with that, let's move over to the charts and we'll talk you through exactly what we're looking at here as we head into next week. So first of all, absolutely we have to start off with gold. So you will remember the mantra that we discussed with you in December: buy gold under 1,800 US dollars per ounce. In fact, go back to our last reports that we discussed with you back in December and the massive opportunities to capitalize on the breakouts that we were anticipating and capitalized on with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club into January. So have it now, gold trading at 1,865 US dollars per ounce. As you can imagine, at the Gold and Silver Club, we have been maximizing on this move massively. So with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club in the first week of January, we have banked over 10,000 points profit here just on gold alone. In fact, we banked just another 2,000 points last week on palladium as well. All of these have been telegraphed to you well ahead of time. You all knew overall our bullish bias on commodities. We've been talking you through it throughout the whole month of December. Gold, massive buy opportunity under 1,800 US dollars per ounce, and also highlighting to you big opportunities on palladium here as well. So let me talk you through it in terms of the price action that we've seen. So if you just go back to our last reports we discussed with you back in December, when many of the market was turning very bearish here on the constant attempts for gold to break out, we continued to bang the drum that gold is a great buy opportunity whilst it's under 1,800 US dollars per ounce. You had the whole month to build, accumulate, and maximize on the opportunity, because throughout the whole month here, buying under 1,800 provided you with massive opportunities to bank a windfall amount of profit, as into the very first trading week of January, we have spiked all the way up to 7-month highs here for gold. So if you've been watching our reports and if you've been following exactly our approach in the market, well done, because like our clients and ourselves at the Gold and Silver Club, you should be banking a windfall amount of profits here to start off the year. Now, not only that, palladium as well has offered some great opportunities over December as it pulled back all the way down to 1,630 US dollars per ounce. So again, multiple opportunities to be buying palladium over the last month. Yet again, in the last week, we banked over 2,000 points profit on our palladium trades. I still like palladium, very similar to gold, in fact, when it's trading below 1,800 US dollars per ounce. Although, of course, I like it much better when it's revisiting back down towards 1,700 US dollars per ounce. We took the opportunity yet again to accumulate more trades on this market just last week, and all of those trades are now in profit into Friday's close. So again, there's been just back-to-back opportunities here to maximize on commodities over the last month. Now, a couple of other opportunities I'm going to put on your radar right now, which is very interesting to see this development. We've got natural gas prices, which are currently trading all the way back down to the same levels that we were trading at this time last year. So essentially, this is also the case with WTI crude oil. So let me talk you through that as well. We've got WTI crude oil trading back at $73.67 per barrel. Where were we at this time last year? We were at exactly the same levels yet again, at $73 to $74 per barrel in the first week of January. What happened after that? Well, oil prices, they went on to trade all the way back to $130 per barrel by the beginning of March. Also, what happened on natural gas? Well, I'll show you at the beginning of last year where we had natural gas prices trading at the same level at 3.7. They went on to break out all the way up to 9.5 over the course of June. So they basically went on to almost triple in price within just a couple of quarters there. In fact, by the time you're moving into the end of March, into April, natural gas prices, they already doubled in price. And we are basically are in a huge range at the moment for oil and natural gas, and they are trading right back at the lower end of their ranges. So you know how it goes in commodities. When everyone is terrified, when everyone is expecting the market to break down significantly lower, you need to go bigger picture and see what is going on within the overall larger timeframes on these markets, and the overall fundamental or macroeconomic backdrop, as well as utilizing data, sentiment cycles, and everything that we're seeing from a commercial positioning point of view as well in the markets right now. And essentially, I do indeed like the price of energies where they are right now for accumulation. Again, just going back to crude oil prices, as you know, the USA Biden administration have already outlined a number of times and signaled to the market they're looking to refill their strategic reserves at $70 per barrel. Back in December, when we broke back down towards those levels, oil spent only 2 to 3 days around those levels before getting a significant bid and breaking out $10 per barrel all the way back up to 81. Yet again, we're close towards those levels. So basically, any revisits back down towards that $70 per barrel level, I'm not expecting oil prices to stay long at those zones. If we get it, we may not. We're already starting to build out some of our position here on the energies. We may not stay even long around the current levels below $74 per barrel, but I definitely put that on your radar. Very similar with natural gas prices at the moment as as well. We're currently trading around 3.7, which is the same as we were trading at the beginning of last January in 2022. The rest is history, really, because after that, natural gas prices, as I mentioned, they went on to double from that period right the way through to March and April. Then they basically tripled from those lows right the way through to June. So we've got some very interesting setups that we're seeing at the moment on commodities for you to take advantage of over this quarter and also into the second quarter as well. So absolutely have natural gas, have crude oil on the radar, palladium, as I mentioned to you already. I do like it, sub $1,800 per ounce here, and also gold. We've absolutely crushed it on this market, banking over 10,000 points profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club in the very first week of January. Again, we telegraphed that to you massively. Just go back and watch our previous reports, which is all about buying gold under $1,800 per ounce. Now gold is trading at $1,865 per ounce. So again, lastly, just to give you that calculation, for every one lot contract that you'll be trading, banking 10,000 points profit, as we've done with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, that's $100,000 of profit. And for every 10 lot contract that you'll be trading here on gold, that's $1 million of profit, which is what many of our clients have done at the Gold and Silver Club just in the last month here, absolutely crushing it on gold. And then lastly, just to touch upon silver, very much like gold, both outperformed over the month of December. Both broke out towards 7-month highs. You can see here where silver basically into the close, yet again up 2.5% and trading just under $24 per ounce. So as you can see, there have been back-to-back opportunities here to capitalize. And as we discussed with you multiple times before, the end of the year, especially the month of December, frequently offers huge opportunities on the whole commodity complex, but especially the metals. Just look at platinum into the close, closing at the highest levels here since April of last year. Again, back-to-back trading opportunities at this time of year for you to capitalize massively on commodities. Whatever long-term goal you're looking to achieve through trading, whether that's to create a full-time income, a second or replacement income, or just to earn a better return on your savings, then now is the time to take action to give yourself the gift of a better 2023. If you want to maximize your money-making potential and thrive, not just survive in these fast-moving markets, then you need to adapt your strategy to the current market conditions and, most importantly, utilize a professional, research-driven approach. One of the biggest obstacles that holds back 99% of retail traders from achieving their desired success, it's not having access to the correct professional strategies, institutional level data, and market intelligence to make confident decisions with accuracy and certainty. There is a huge gap between the top 1% of professional traders and the bottom 99% of misguided retail traders who simply rely on outdated technical analysis or gimmicky technical indicators that simply do not work. If you want to get yourself out of the bottom 99% and into the top 1% who are actually crushing it and making 6, 7, and 8-figure returns in these markets right now, then you need to utilize a professional, research-driven approach, or you'll just end up wasting lots of time, money, and effort, and you have no results to show for all of your hard work. In these rapidly changing markets, you need to be constantly innovating and evolving. Technical analysis and outdated technical indicators, that will not work. Those days, they're long gone. If that's all you're relying on, then the odds are already heavily stacked up against you. If you want to change your results, then you have to change your thinking. If you want to learn our exclusive research-driven approach that is never taught to retail traders and only reserved for professional traders in banks, hedge funds with access to powerful game-changing insights, including where banks and hedge funds are buying and selling in real time, the key liquidity zones so you can enter and exit the markets with pinpoint precision, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, learning the capital flows, the daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly real-time data-driven cycles, alongside the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and of course how the commercials, hedge funds, banks, and institutions are positioned in real time, then you need to join our mentorship program. As we head into the new year, we are in one of the greatest eras of wealth creation the world has ever seen. If you want to successfully capitalize on the huge money-making opportunities ahead and build significant life-changing wealth, then there is no better time than now. If you want to upgrade your income, then you have to upgrade your skills. Never underestimate what you can achieve in the next few months from now with the right guidance and mentorship. Time is the most valuable commodity that we have. Make sure that you don't waste it. If you want to join our community of successful traders and take your trading to the next level, there is an opportunity for you to do so. As a member, you get access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You get access to real-time trade ideas, access to institutional research and market intelligence, access to our private Members Academy website, and also support and one-to-one mentoring. For more information, just go to www.jointhelivetradingroom.com. The link is also below this report in the description, so just click on the link, make an application, and we will of course get in touch with you ASAP.